So many people have been wondering, why are computer skills necessary in today's life? There is a reason why many people, after they have finished their Form 4, they want to do computer. So today we're going to be talking about why computer skills, why are they necessary in today's life. And you find that computer skills, they have become a very essential part of our daily life. That is, especially in 21st century. You find that if you want to communicate with your friends, if you want to send messages, if you want to know what is happening in the world, computer skills are very necessary and they become very, very integral in your life. And one of the reasons why you need to have computer skills, number one, is communication. You find that computers, they help us to communicate from with our friends. They help us to send a message from one person to another. So if you have computer skills, obviously you'll be able to know how to communicate with another person that is quickly and easily through things like email, instant messaging, WhatsApp, video conference, all these. And then another thing is there is access to information. So you find that computers, they provide us with a lot of information, access to information, and we can use this search engines such as Google to get information all over the internet. And then another reason why we need to have computer skills is because of productivity. You find that computers, they help us to be more productive, and they allow us to complete tasks very fast and in a more efficient way. So for example, you can use productivity tools like spreadsheet, Google Word to do these automated tasks. And then another reason why you need computer skills is for career advancement. We find that in today's job market, everyone is looking for someone who has computer skills. So it is really critical that you have computer skills, especially in today's job market. And then another thing is entertainment. We find that computers have provided us with very many channels of entertainment, such as streaming movies, watching TV, all this. So we find that in conclusion, we're saying that computer skills are very essential, especially in today's world, and it is very necessary. Especially if you have come after Form 4, or maybe you want to proceed with life, it's good to have computer skills. And if you're interested in learning about or having these skills, computer skills, that is, you can enroll at Finstock University College and do a basics in computer skills, or a basic in computer studies, or advanced computer tools, and all this you can learn at Finstock University College. Visit their website at www.finstockuniversity.com, or call them at 0703 313 722, or send them an email at info@finstockuniversity.com. Make sure at the end of this video you like, you comment, subscribe, share, hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you can always be notified. Until next time, goodbye.